Also, I have perks in my Amazon storefront, so you can use that. And then I also have a referral code.
How you get that shit?
I got it from the thrift store.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did. We're going to the gym. Kind of scared to record at the gym. It's my first little, you know, we're just gonna get into it. I gotta break out my shell and start recording in places that may be a little bit awkward for me to record. I'm trying to eradicate the word from my speech, and I've been trying to do this for about 2 weeks now. So we'll see how we'll see how much my speech has progressed throughout this video. So if you're watching from home, every time I say take a shot. Just kidding. Every time I say do a push-up. Do a push-up. Do a squat. Okay? Because this is what we're here for today. This is what we're here for. I'm gonna show y'all how I started to get glute gains. How I started to build my dumpy. How I started to get that Nicki Minaj. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at the gym. Okay, so we made it to the gym. I'm not gonna record myself going in because my gym crush, he literally works at the gym. So I get a little nervous around him. I'm gonna speak though. Like every time I walk in, I make sure I got one headphone off my ear. Cause it'd be like,
hey, with your sexy, fat, juicy ass, girl.
And I'd be like, stop. No, I'm just playing. So my battery literally just died on my camera. So I'm gonna have to show y'all the rest of what I'm doing on my phone, which is no problem, but like quality's gonna be different, but the quality's gonna be the same. If you know, then you know. Okay, y'all, so I never quite filmed an outro for this video, and here we are a week later. But I do just want to say, what do I want to say? Oh, the most important thing when it comes to your workouts and building the body or building whatever muscle that you're working on or just becoming stronger is consistency. Going when you don't feel like going when you're tired, going when you're exhausted, going when you're in pain. Well, I mean, obviously not like deathbed pain. Going when your neck hurts, you know, getting those stretches in and just saying F it and showing up every single day. Persistence and consistency will get you exactly where you want to be. Was that a bar? Anywho, I hope that y'all learned a lot from this video. I hope that you were able to take some things from this video and implement them into your workout routines. If you're ever too tired to go to the gym, I don't know, take a perk or something. Take a cat nap. Also, I have perks in my Amazon storefront, so you can use that. And then I also have a referral code. Sorry. I don't know why I just be saying stuff. But why not, right? It's time to go pump my glutes right now. So I will see y'all in the next video. Mwah. Smooches. That wasn't good. Let's do a good one. Come here. Bye. I am really sorry you had to see that just a few seconds ago. That is quite embarrassing. But yeah, so this is me apologizing. Camera, it's right there, not there, on behalf of my past self. And to make up for it, please enjoy this next clip of me flexing my muscles.